Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have BOSE 700 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily link these headphones with your application. At first we have to open our application and now we have to click connect the product. Now we have to choose what product we want to link. We have to choose headphones and frames. Now we can skip create an account or click get started. I will skip this process. Now we have to wait a moment until our app finds our headphones. As you can see, it's found. Now we have to click connect. And now we have to wait a moment. Now we have to click all set. Now we can click get started, and that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.